Okay, we're still in Salisbury. This is lot 204. It's a Salem made by Forest River. It's approximately 30 feet long by 8 feet wide, and you have the extra 4 feet for the extension, which we'll show you in a minute. I'm doing a walk around. We're at the lake. I didn't even realize there was one here in Salisbury, but there is one here. It's only a few miles from where the others were. So walking around. Tonnage down there, tongue. Here's the extension, just like the other units. Gives you extra room. It's a very nice unit. Again, it's been used somewhat over the past 2 years for guests. See the whole unit there. And walk back around again. Has all the amenities, full entertainment inside, already pre-wired. It is your own TV. It's its own sound system. We're walking down this way. This one had a little interesting feature, a little escape door to back in where the bunk beds are located. Thought that was interesting, pointed out. So we will go in there. We'll go inside and take a look. We're inside now. This unit does have a door to the front bedroom for privacy. Nice full bedroom, double bed. Has its own closets, entertainment center up there. Back outside. Here's your entertainment for the main area here, and then again your sofa and your kitchen table. All this can be folded into another bed if so chose to. And just show you speakers overhead. Here is your kitchen, stove, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, sink, all the amenities and niceties of home. And here's your bunk bed area. Windows, kind of neat. Still very good condition. This is a 2006 model. Only been used a few times over the past few years for guests of the company. And that's RH Howell. And just a quick peek here to prove that we do have facilities. So with that in mind, the next stop is Charlotte.